Want to add some green vibes to your home without the mess of soil? Say hello to water-grown houseplants, a sleek, modern way to bring nature indoors. Not only do they look stunning in glass jars or vases, but they're also incredibly easy to care for. With just a bit of sunlight and occasional water changes, many plants can thrive beautifully in water alone. If you're after low-maintenance greenery with a stylish twist, these 17 surprising plants that grow in water will totally inspire your next home refresh. Before we get into the list, let's talk about water propagation. It's the process of growing plants in water instead of soil. All you need is a healthy cutting from a plant, a container filled with water, and some patience. Over time, the cutting will develop roots and grow into a full plant. It's a great way to multiply your plants or enjoy a soil-free gardening experience. Plus, it's super low maintenance. Now let's get into the top 17 plants that grow in water. 1. Pothos. First up, the pothos. This hardy plant is perfect for beginners. Its heart-shaped leaves look stunning in water, and it grows quickly. Just snip a stem below a node, place it in water, and watch it thrive. Pothos is also known for its air-purifying qualities, making it a great addition to any home. It can remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, improving indoor air quality. 2. Philodendron. Next, the philodendron. Similar to pothos, this plant is easy to grow in water. Its trailing vines and lush leaves make it a great choice for hanging displays or shelves. Philodendrons are also excellent air purifiers and can help reduce stress by creating a calming environment. They're low maintenance and can thrive in low light conditions, making them perfect for any room. 3. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is a classic water-grown plant. It's believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Simply place the stalks in water and they'll grow tall and elegant. Lucky bamboo is also known for its ability to improve feng shui and create a sense of balance and harmony in your space. It's a low-maintenance plant that can thrive in indirect light. 4. Spider plant. Spider plants are known for their air-purifying qualities. Their baby spiderets can be propagated in water, making them a fun and rewarding plant to grow. Spider plants are excellent at removing toxins like carbon monoxide and xylene from the air. They're also pet-friendly and non-toxic, making them a safe choice for households with animals. 5. Chinese evergreen. The Chinese evergreen is a beautiful, low-light plant that adapts well to water. Its variegated leaves add a pop of color to any space. Chinese evergreens are known for their ability to improve air quality by filtering out toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. They're also low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of lighting conditions, making them a versatile choice for any home. 6. Coleus. Coleus plants are famous for their vibrant, colorful leaves. They root easily in water and can brighten up any room with their striking foliage. Coleus plants are also known for their ability to repel insects, making them a great natural pest control option. They thrive in bright, indirect light and can add a splash of color to your indoor garden. 7. Begonia. Begonias are another great option for water propagation. Their unique leaves and flowers make them a standout addition to your water-grown collection. Begonias are known for their ability to improve humidity levels in your home, which can be beneficial for your skin and respiratory health. They prefer bright, indirect light and can add a touch of elegance to any space. 8. English ivy. English ivy is a versatile plant that grows well in water. Its trailing vines are perfect for creating a lush, green atmosphere in your home. English ivy is also known for its air-purifying qualities, particularly in removing mold spores from the air. It's a great plant for improving indoor air quality and can thrive in a variety of lighting conditions. 9. Peace lily. Peace lilies can also be grown in water. Their elegant white flowers and glossy leaves make them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Peace lilies are excellent air purifiers and can remove toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde from the air. They also help to increase humidity levels, which can be beneficial for your skin and respiratory health. Peace lilies prefer low to medium light and can thrive in water with minimal care. 10. String of hearts. The string of hearts, Ceropegia woodii, isn't just a charming trailing plant, it also thrives in water indoors, making it a beautiful and low-fuss addition to your space. To help it flourish and even bloom with its signature magenta flowers, place it near a bright window with filtered sunlight, away from harsh, direct rays. Since this plant is sensitive to overwatering when grown in soil, you'll want to keep only the roots submerged in water to avoid rot. Refresh the water every 2 weeks and give it a boost with diluted liquid fertilizer now and then to keep those heart shaped vines happy and healthy. 11. Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa, is a favorite among plant lovers thanks to its striking split leaves that add a bold tropical flair to any room. To grow it in water, start with a cutting that includes an aerial root and place it in a clear container with fresh water. Make sure to change the water weekly and keep the plant in a spot with bright indirect sunlight. Not only does it thrive in a water-only setup, but its unique foliage also doubles as a stunning decorative piece for your indoor space. 12. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a vibrant, eye-catching plant known for its purple and silver-striped leaves and elegant trailing growth. It's incredibly easy to grow in water. Simply place cuttings in a glass or jar, change the water weekly, and keep it in bright, indirect light. This fast-growing beauty quickly fills out, making it a stunning choice for hanging displays or shelf decor, adding a splash of color into any indoor space. 13. African violet. Choose young, healthy African violet leaves to start new plants. Cut the leaf with about 2 inches of stem and place the leaf in a narrow-necked bottle that keeps the leaf suspended and dry. Roots take about a month to form. Over time, a tiny plantlet will form, complete with its own crown. 14. Basil, Ocimum basilicum. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, is a fragrant, flavorful herb that's not only a kitchen staple, but also incredibly easy to grow in water. Simply snip some fresh cuttings and place them in a jar near a sunny window. This herb loves plenty of light. Be sure to change the water regularly to keep the roots healthy and thriving. Growing basil this way not only adds a touch of greenery to your space, but also provides a steady supply of fresh leaves for all your favorite dishes. 15. Mint, Mentha, mint, is a refreshing aromatic herb that's perfect for growing in water and ideal for anyone who loves cooking or making herbal teas. Just place a few healthy cuttings in a glass of water, keep it in bright, indirect light, and change the water every few days to maintain freshness. Mint grows quickly and abundantly, making it a great choice for a low-maintenance indoor herb garden that smells as good as it looks. 16. Dracaena. Propagating a Dracaena from a stem cutting is a straightforward process. Begin by selecting a healthy plant and taking a stem cutting, ensuring to remove any leaves that would be submerged in water. Place the cutting in a clear glass jar filled with water, maintaining the water level below any remaining leaves to prevent rot. To minimize algae growth, change the water weekly. Within approximately 60 days, the cutting should develop a complete root system. Dracaena thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers temperatures between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. During the active growing season, fertilize the plant every 2 weeks with a diluted liquid fertilizer. Once the roots are well established, the new Dracaena can be carefully transplanted into a pot. 17. Ornamental sweet potato. Ornamental sweet potato vine in a glass jar will add a tropical touch to your kitchen windowsill. Simply trim a few 6 to 8 inch stems just below a leaf node, remove the lower leaves, and submerge the cuttings halfway in water. Regularly changing the water will encourage the cuttings to root and grow. Now that you know which plants to grow, here are some tips to keep them healthy. Use clean, filtered water and change it every week to prevent algae growth. Add a drop of liquid fertilizer every month to provide nutrients. Place your plants in bright, indirect light for the best growth. Be patient. Some plants take longer to root than others. With these tips, your water-grown plants will thrive. And there you have it, 17 amazing plants that grow in water.